Hello DIY friends. Today I'll show you how to do a oil lamp. It could be for a emergency where you find yourself now having a flashlight or out of candles and you're out of power and you need some light, or just for your backyard fun. My solution, I've seen many videos out there. You always need to buy something and it's going to cost you some money. But what I want to show you today is with household products that you have, and it costs you nothing. Any bowl, it could be any kind of bowl, ceramic bowl, metal bowl that you have laying around, any kind of cooking oil, napkin, and a lighter. So I'll take the napkin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a wick out of it. So you just have to rip up your napkin, and then I'm going to tear it down like this. Then you take the napkin, kind of do that, make it like a wick. Put your finger into it, and fold up the back side like a skirt. So now you kind of have a napkin wick. Then you take some cooking oil, pour it in, put the cooking oil on the side. So what controls the burn time is how much oil, how big your bowl. The smaller bowl you have, the burn time will be longer. And the bigger bowl you have, the burn time will be shorter. So there you go. Very simple. You take any kind of bowl, paper napkin, a lighter, and cooking oil. It could be vegetable oil, corn oil, any kind of cooking oil, and then you light it. And now you have yourself a oil lamp. So we'll wait a little bit and show you how it works. There you go. So obviously, the more open the bowl, the bigger the bowl, it will burn faster, bigger flame. The smaller the bowl, you will have a longer burn rate. So you can use anything, a bowl from your house, a ceramic bowl, a metal bowl, pour some oil into it. First, make the paper napkin wick. And there you have it. A simple DIY oil lamp you can do at home that costs you nothing. Thank you for watching.